9 benefits of doing push-ups every day. Doing push-ups every day can have several benefits for your overall fitness, body composition, and health. Here are some potential benefits of incorporating push-ups into your daily routine. Upper body strength. Push-ups primarily target the muscles in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, helping to build upper body strength. Core engagement. Push-ups require core stability to maintain a straight body position. This engagement can contribute to improved core strength. Convenience. Push-ups are a bodyweight exercise that requires no equipment, making them convenient and easily accessible. You can do them at home, in the office, or while traveling. Cardiovascular endurance. Performing push-ups in a continuous manner can elevate your heart rate, contributing to cardiovascular endurance. Muscle tone and definition. Regular push-ups can lead to increased muscle tone and definition in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Improved posture. Strengthening the muscles involved in push-ups can contribute to better posture by promoting a strong and stable upper body. Increased metabolism. Engaging multiple muscle groups during push-ups can help boost your metabolism, potentially aiding in weight management. Variety of variations. Push-ups offer a variety of progression and variation options, allowing you to tailor the exercise to your fitness level and goals. Establishing a habit. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine can help establish a habit of regular physical activity, which is essential for overall health. However, it's important to consider a few factors. Restand recovery. Muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. If you're doing push-ups every day, pay attention to how your body responds and consider incorporating rest days or alternating between different muscle groups. Proper form. Maintaining proper form is crucial to prevent injuries. If you experience any discomfort or pain, it's advisable to reassess your form or consult with a fitness professional. Variety. While push-ups offer many benefits, a well-rounded exercise routine should include a variety of movements to target different muscle groups and aspects of fitness. As with any exercise routine, it's recommended to listen to your body, progress gradually, and consult with a healthcare professional or a fitness expert if you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions.